break from the snow world of plowing, and now we got a few trimming jobs today that we're going to do, and we'll bring you along to check them out.
Sorry, will you take him?
Alright, so we're at the next job, and we got the power company dropping a power line because it's right underneath some of the branches, plus where we need to put the lift. And once they're done, then we'll get the other guys cruising, and we'll be able to get cruising on what we're doing. Alright, so we only had a few trimming jobs today. It's going pretty quick, so we're just kind of moseying about to the last one. I don't know.
So we've got 2 maples in the front yard and a small maple beside the house. These front 2 maples we're just going to basically be taking up about 15 feet and just removing the limbs and just cleaning it up so they can get some more sun down to their grass. And then the one over beside the house next to that minivan, they just want the branches away from their house. So the main leader limb going up towards the house. We're going to clean that up, so give the trees some good shape. So we'll give the trees some good shape and yeah, just make them look good, get some more sun down to the ground. Ever again. Too close to his inner thigh.
I think he can see me if I'm here.
Think so?
Or it's just gonna be
I'm right here, John.
You know, this should be my thing.
Oh
Right.
yeah.
Try to-
But don't bend in like a girl taking a picture.
I'll just do this.
Just somewhere. Like Robert Downey Jr. does with his snacks and movie sets.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Just, yeah. No. No one really does.
We'll get better at these commentaries at some point, but
Well,
So-
today we're doing great.
yeah. So, did you make sure it was recording?
No.
Oh yeah, we're golden.
Oh, jeez.
Golden.
Golden.
Well, look at
So-
the material.
I see. I get left out of the seat.
No.
You're
That
sending your
hurts,
knees.
No.
So how did today go for you?
It's doing great.
Yeah, went good. Went
You
very
want
good.
to die?
Nice and light work.
Yep.
It was sad though. I had to drag a couple branches.
Yeah, and we had an ornery neighbor. That was
hurt
not
my
fun.
thumb.
Slightly.
Well,
learned
when do we
it.
not though? I feel like that's every.
No.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe. I think so.
Nah.
There's at
Get them
least
like maybe 3 times a whole
Year.
yeah.
there's at least a
the whole
window
year.
peak.
Window peaks are fine.
Yeah.
As long as
It's
they're
when
keeping
they,
us.
it's when
Yeah.
they make verbal interaction with you. That's when things can
Take a
get
picture.
interesting.
Yeah, that one was a little
Yeah.
sketchy.
When you get 70-year-old guys coming out in robes talking to you, it's like,
And
Okay.
hairy slippers. Yeah.
We won't be able to show you guys that, but
right. But it was
a beautiful sight.
it was good.
It was.
He was upset, irritable, but he talked right down and
Yeah.
Yeah,
he was fine.
yeah. So today went good,
Yeah.
and we'll see you guys at the next job.
See you soon.
Gas and grip.